Good morning, class. So today I'll be teaching you numerical from chapter heat. Okay, so let's see this question. And heat formula is MST. MST. Okay, so this is a question. A piece of copper heated to 35 degrees Celsius is dropped into 140 gram of water at 15 degrees Celsius. The mass of copper is 150 gram and specific heat of copper is given 400 joule per kg for Kelvin. Find the final temperature. Okay, we need to find final temperature. Now actually what in question they are asking, okay, suppose one copper is there, piece of copper is there which is heated. After heating, the temperature of the copper is 35 degrees Celsius, and that hot copper is dropped into one container in which water is present, and the temperature of the water is 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, now what will happen? See, if you put this hot copper into the water whose temperature is 15 degrees, so I mean to say, if you put hot copper into the cold water, then what will happen? This copper will lose its heat energy, and this cold water will absorb its copper's heat energy, and then what will happen? This will lose heat energy and this water will gain heat energy. This will lost, this will gain. So in this way, what will happen? After some time, the temperature of these two will become equal, and that is called thermal equilibrium. Now copper's temperature is given how much? 35 degrees Celsius, as I have written in this diagram. 35 degrees Celsius copper temperature, T means temperature, and copper mass is given 150 gram, and then specific heat of copper is given. Okay, so for copper I have written here temperature given this much, and this will change. Okay, because hot copper will, if you put into water, then what will happen? This will lose heat energy. Okay, because hot copper if you put in cold water, then copper will become cold only. So mass is given for copper is 150 gram. Convert this into kg, divided by 1000, it will become 0.15 kg. Now specific heat of copper is this much, it's already mentioned. So here for water also, water temperature is given 15 degrees Celsius and it is cold. Now if this cold water will absorb heat energy, then its temperature will rise. So I have written here will increase, temperature will rise. Okay, mass of water is given 140 gram, so convert into kg, you will get this much. So specific heat of water is also mentioned, given in question, this one. Now we know that when we will put this copper into water, then what will happen? This copper will lose heat energy and this water will gain heat energy, because this is hot, this is cold. Okay, that means according to your principle of calorimetry, we have already learned, that means heat lost equal to heat gain. This is the principle of calorimetry which I have already taught. Heat loss equal to heat gain. So here heat loss formula I have already solved this. Okay, here heat loss equal to MST. Well, MST instead of T I have written, instead of this I have written, why I have written I will explain. 35 minus T, because the temperature of this copper, now I will explain why minus T. Temperature of this copper is 35 degrees Celsius. Now what will happen if you put this into this? Okay, if we will put this hot into cold, then what will happen? This will lose heat energy, means its temperature will decrease. So 35 minus T. Okay, mass specific heat is given this, if you multiply you will get this. Okay, for water also I have done. Now temperature of the water is now 15 degrees Celsius. Now if we put this hot copper, then what will happen? The temperature of this water will increase, because this cold water will gain heat energy. Okay, so I have written here temperature of water, mass, specific heat gain, water will gain heat, so I have written MST. So T minus 15. Suppose why I have written T minus 15? Suppose now the temperature of water is 15. Now if it will increase, then it will increase more than 50, so T minus 15. Okay, So after solving I got this. Now this is according to principle of calorimetry. We need to find final temperature. So we know formula heat lost. Heat loss means whose heat loss? Copper. I've written this. And heat gain means this one. So if you solve it, you will get how much? 16.85 degrees Celsius. Okay. So this is a very simple question. So I'll provide some more question to you. Okay, numerical from a book only. So please do it. Or you can do one thing like from heat chapter only. This question is from book. I've done. Okay, this is question number 1. You do question number 2, 3. Okay, from book itself. Thank you so much.